Yo, welcome to a new video. This is devlog number 2 of the Ninjago add-on. In this video, I will be showcasing lightning and the stat system.
Hey, guys! It's just like the training course! Over the planks, dodging swords, here comes the dummy! Cha-ching!
You have 4 main stats or attributes. They are strength, agility, vitality, and stealth. You level these stats up with attribute points you get every time you level up. You get 2 points per level, making a total of 200 points. The max for each attribute is 60. Every 5 levels in strength, agility, and vitality increases effects.
Sorry, Cole. This is gonna hurt you a lot more than it's gonna hurt me.
Each stat has 4 passives unlocked at 10, 20, 35, and 60. So you will have to think when investing your points. The passives are in order of unlocking. When you M1, you have a chance to crit the enemy, dealing more damage. You have a higher chance of landing a critical after a full M1 string. When knockbacked, you will be rendered immobile but gain hyper armor. Your last M1 deals extra knockback and stuns. You can jump twice. When you run, and M1, you dash attack. After landing a full M1 string, when you double sneak, you teleport to the nearest entity. You no longer take fall damage. When you land a critical, you heal from it. You heal more from criticals. Your natural healing factor is boosted. When below 10 health, you get a health boost. Cooldown 60 seconds. When max health and running, after 10 seconds, you turn invisible to entities. When invisible, when you punch, you dash forward. When you sneak for 2 seconds, you release a smoke screen that lasts 10 seconds. Smokescreen stuns entities. With lightning, you have a 1/5 chance to stun an enemy for 1 second. When an enemy is stunned, they have a chance to be struck by lightning, increasing the stun to 30 seconds for the next lightning move used, and changes one move.
Make sure we're not seen!
That's all for lightning. Next devlog will be the race system and Earth showcase. Have a good day, night buys.